Hello everyone, welcome to the world of amazing science experiments. In this experiment, we learn how to identify the cation ammonium ion. Cations are positively charged ions. Normally, cations combine with anions and form salts. In this experiment, I will show you how to identify the presence of ammonium ion using red litmus paper and Nessler's reagent. The experiment is performed using Laboxd Science Experiment Kit. Now, let us begin the experiment. For this experiment, the materials required are two test tubes, sodium hydroxide solution, ammonium chloride salt, litmus paper, red, Nessler's reagent, and dropper. Now let us take sodium hydroxide solution, ammonium chloride salt, water, Nessler's reagent, dropper, take red and blue litmus paper, dip it into the water so that they are moist. Test tubes. Take ammonium chloride salt, add little ammonium chloride salt into the test tube. Be careful while adding. Now the salt is ready. Add sodium hydroxide solution into the test tube drop by drop. Be careful while adding. Now we can see that the salt dissolves in sodium hydroxide solution. Stir the salt well. Now we get a small pungent smell. This pungent smell indicates that ammonia gas is liberated. Now we can use the red litmus paper to check whether ammonia gas is evolved. See, the red litmus changes its color to blue. This proves that ammonia is evolved. As ammonia is alkaline in nature, it changes red litmus to blue. We can check with blue litmus paper. Is it changing? No. Blue litmus remains as it is. Now let us check how ammonia reacts with Nessler's reagent. Take ammonium salt solution in a test tube. With the help of dropper, add Nessler's reagent into the test tube. See, now we can observe that as soon as Nessler's reagent comes in contact with ammonia gas, it turns brown. A brown precipitate is formed at the bottom of the test tube. It settles at the bottom. Let us understand. The chemical reaction used in this experiment is as follows. NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, reacts with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, to give NaCl, sodium chloride, H2O, water, and ammonia, NH3. A colorless pungent smelling gas is evolved, that is ammonia. As ammonia is an alkaline gas, it turns moist red litmus paper to blue. But blue litmus paper remains as it is. You can refer to the previous video on identification of acids, bases and alkalis using litmus paper. In the second experiment, we used the Nessler's reagent. Nessler's reagent is a combination of K2HgI4 and KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. It reacts with ammonia to form a complex compound called amido-iodo-mercury. This is the brown precipitate which is formed when Nessler's reagent is added reacts with ammonia. Quiz time. First question. Name the reagents used for the identification of ammonium ion. Sodium hydroxide, litmus paper and Nessler's reagent. Second question. Which gas is liberated when sodium hydroxide solution is added to ammonium chloride salt? Ammonia. What is the observation when moist red litmus paper is brought in contact with ammonia gas? Red litmus paper changes to blue. What is the observation when Nessler's reagent comes in contact with ammonia? Brown precipitate is formed. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed performing the experiment.